What is it? Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today Jay is not with me. I've actually been really wanting to bring her, but I just didn't know how. She's in school right now, so I told her to go get candy for this video idea. So basically what I'm gonna do is I'm going to trick her into eating a freaking dog treat. So hopefully it goes the way I want it to. I'm gonna go to Walmart because if I go to PetSmart, we have each other's location, and I don't want her to like check and be like, why are you at PetSmart, and then I come back with like nothing, you know what I mean? So at Walmart I'm gonna go and get some things that we need, and I'll just go buy like the dog treats there and stuff. So hopefully she doesn't like figure it out, and hopefully I find a treat that doesn't too much smell like it, like, you know, like food. Hopefully it all goes well. So I got these crunchy treats, and so what I was thinking, I can get a Reese's peanut butter cup and make her take like a small bite of it, and then like crush one into the Reese's peanut butter cup. So okay, now I'm gonna go get the candy and get the fuck out of Walmart. Babe went to go get a haircut, so she should be home in like 15 minutes. I just checked her location, so I'm gonna do this really quick and have it already ready. I'm just gonna crush one up and like put it in one of these cups. Gosh, I'm so mean. I'm sorry, babe. I love you. I'm just gonna put it back in the packaging. So oh my gosh, I'm so mean. But it'll be fine. It'll be fine. It'll be fine. She'll be fine. Okay. So I think I did a pretty good job. I'm gonna be so freaking dead.
What's good, everybody? Welcome back to our channel. So today we're gonna be doing the
Candy guessing game. Alright, good. It's a crunch bar. No.
You get one guess.
Only one guess?
Okay, fine. 3.
It's a cookies and cream Hershey's, right?
Yeah.
Oh, it's because I actually like that one. Oh, I fail.
Trying to throw me off?
Yeah.
Oh, Skittle.
What kind? It has to be the specific flavor. Not no regular Skittle. What kind? You know how there's like tropical Skittles, cream Skittles.
What's the rainbow one?
No.
Regular red Skittles. What was it?
Wild berry. She got one wrong. So one for me. One for her.
They all taste the same. Like.
Ew, what is it? Almond Joy. Almond Joy? Is it Almond Joy? Why did you try to fucking trick me? Open.
That's easier.
What is it?
It's a watermelon slice from Sour Patch.
No.
Yeah.
No, it's not. Huh? No, not yet. Okay.
Good.
Augustus, how did you celebrate? I ate more candy.
Augustus, how did you celebrate?
I eat more candy.
Break me off a piece of that Kit Kat bar. Is it Kit Kat? Yeah? And Kit Kat?
Final answer?
Oh my god, I feel like it was a Snickers.
Twix bar.
Twix! God damn it, I don't really like those, that's fine. Open your mouth. Ah. What?
That should go good.
Alright.
Yeah.
Meetings.
Last one?
No? No?
Whoa, what the fuck?
Ew. A Butterfinger? No. Reese's. Am I wrong?
Right.
Oh yay!
But I can see where you think it's a Butterfinger.
Yeah. I hate peanut butter, baby. Like, I don't mind those, but like, I'm not crazy about them, you know? Your turn. Okay, you ready?
It's spicy.
It's spicy?
It's a hot tamale.
Ready?
Your turn.
What is it?
Is this one of those, like... Oh. I know what it is. Give me that.
Okay, okay.
Give me another piece. I know what it is.
Here.
It's a Reese's, but with the pieces in it. Right?
What pieces? Hold on, I'm about to show you the pieces. It was good.
You better not be giving me dog treats.
Why would I do that? That's your final answer?
What was that? You're scaring me.
What's that your
Was it dog treats?
Was
Was it dog treats?
You said, ooh, give me more.
I said, wait. Let me see. You like sprinkled it on top?
Yeah, I crushed it up and I put it in.
Oh, what the fuck? You gave me dog treats? Alondra! You eat one! You eat one! Oh, we're over.
We're not over.
We're over.
No, we're not.
That's disgusting.
Is it? You said it was good.
I said it was good. That's fucked up. You really planned this shit. Oh my god. Dude.
So whenever you were like, why are you taking your backpack inside? I was like, oh, because I forgot it. I don't know. And then, but in reality, I was just trying to sneak the camera back inside and everything, so she won't know that I took the camera. So that's it for this video.
Because I'm gonna fuck her up.
No, she's not.
If you don't see a next video, that probably means that it's just Julianne's channel. Alondra is no more.
Shut up.
Alondra is gone.
No,
She is gone from this world.
No, I'm not.
So
Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Share this page. She's mad, but she still loves me. It's okay.
No.
Now
look,
I'm scared.
DM me.
Really?
DM me with shit to get back to me. Get back at her. Actually, I don't even need requests. I already know what's up.
No, you don't. No, you don't.
Alright, yeah.
Bye.